What's up, guys? I'm actually down visiting my mom. My buddy was hiking in the woods, and he was foraging, and he found some of these hen of the woods, or chicken of the woods, rather, mushrooms. So I don't eat mushrooms, but he said these are fantastic. So taste just like chicken. So I'm gonna try them. So let's see. Alright, so I got the pan heated up. Let's put them in the pan. Alright, let that cook up a little. Alright, like I said, I don't eat mushrooms. I hate mushrooms. So these are looking pretty good. So I'm gonna, ow! Yeah, that's still hot. let me get this off of here. Alright, I'm gonna try this. First time. Wow. It really tastes like chicken. Like, it has the consistency of chicken. And, like, kind of a sweet flavor. It's weird. Wow. I don't know if I like it, though. It's still a mushroom. I'm gonna try another piece. That is so weird. It really tastes like chicken. That's bizarre. I think I need some sauce or something. Maybe barbecue sauce. That's weird. It really tastes like chicken, and I'm not disgusted. Wow. Alright, I'm going with sriracha. Alright, here we go. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna try a little more. I liked it with sriracha. I liked it by itself. I gave some to my mom, so she really liked it too. So we're like mind blown right now. Like, this is the thing. So I'm gonna try to make like maybe a little sandwich or something. Thanks, Matt.